You want to invest, but picking stocks feels like gambling? You are not alone. I'm a full-time mom and a full-time investor. Here's how I build my portfolio and how you can too, even if you only have 10 minutes a day. First, trends and news. If everyone's talking about AI or defense, that's probably where the money is going. No, you don't need to read Bloomberg. I scroll headlines while my son throws pasta on the wall. Next, I look at ETFs. What stocks are inside the biggest ETFs? Like S&P 500 or Nasdaq? If BlackRock and Vanguard are buying Nvidia, maybe it's worth your attention too. It's like shopping with rich, just smarter. Then analyst predictions. What are the price targets? Do you expect the stock to double or fall apart like my meal plans? Sometimes the best ideas are already moving. I check the top movers of the day and week. If something jumps 20%, I ask why. Maybe it's time to jump in or stay far away. What I don't do. I don't buy random TikTok stocks or whatever my cousin recommends. Unless my toddler pick it, then maybe I trust him more. So that's how I pick stocks. News, ETFs, analysts, and little bit of mom instinct. Want to save hours of research? Subscribe, I already did the boring part for you. And let's be honest, you've got the peers to change.